I look like a rock star, in and out of cop cars, living out of suitcase, trashing hotel bars. If I see the sunrise, it's 'cause I stayed up all night, drinking 'cause I need to. Damn it, what a good life, judging by my long hair. You might think I don't care, sitting here sipping about a spot where people would kill to be, kill to be, kill to be. But Charlotte ain't as good as it seems, 'cause living the dream is killing me, killing me, killing me. It's killing me, killing me, killing me. Ooh. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm doing kind of a Morgan Wallen kick real quick, and then I'll get to all your song requests. So he came out with those new 3 songs, so I want to get them all out for you guys as quickly as I can. So this one is obviously Livin The Dream, from his new album called double album called Dangerous, and from so far from what he's released, it's pretty awesome. So anyway, let me know if you have any other requests or songs you want to learn. I'll get to them pretty quickly after this. So this song is super easy to play. It's in standard tuning, and you put a capo on the 3rd fret. Before I go into the chords and stuff, and like I said, this song is super easy, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. The more you hit like, the more that other people see it. So if you think it's a good video, and you want me to keep making more, then please hit like, okay? And let me know if you have any questions and stuff, or suggestions or anything in the comments, okay? All right, so there's 2 chords for this song. You're gonna do E minor, all right, and then you're gonna do G. Stick around for a little bit towards the end of the video. I'm going to show you kind of some ways to spice up this song, because it's really simple, and so you kind of can fall into the trap of just playing it like very monotone and stuff, but you obviously don't want to do that, okay? So the way you play this song is you start out with just E minor, you just do down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Then you switch to G, okay? Down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So you just play that once. You just do E minor, G. One more time on the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Then you go to E minor again. You're gonna start with Mama. Mama on E minor. Mama, don't pray for my success anymore, yeah, but Mama. Okay, so you play the chords there for the first 2 lines on Mama. All right, the second G is Mama. Mama still prays for me. Then you go to E minor. Seeing, okay, E minor is seeing. Seeing the world, ain't really seeing the world through a window. Window is G. Window from A to B. Between alcohol, okay, the beginning, like alcohol, you're gonna do E minor. Alcohol and women and let's see, Adderall. Adderall, adrenaline, I don't, okay, I don't is G. I don't ever get no rest. Sign, okay, sign is E minor. Sign my life away to be the life of the party, yeah. Okay, yeah is where you do G. Yeah to everybody else, okay. Then what you're gonna do is, yeah to everybody else. All right, so you can do like a couple taps. You can do tap, 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 all right? Tap, tap, tap. I look like a rock star. Okay, then you go into the chorus, but you don't play anything until rock star, okay? So you're gonna do, I look like a rock star. Rock star is E minor. Rock star, in and out of cop cars, living out of suit. Okay, suitcase is G. Suitcase, trashing hotel bars. If I see the sunrise, it's 'cause I stayed up all night. Okay, so sunrise is E minor. Sunrise, it's 'cause I stayed up all night, drinking 'cause I need to. Okay, need is G minor. Need to, dang it, what a good life, judging by my long. Okay, long hair is E minor. Long hair, you might think I don't care, sitting here sipping. Sipping is G. Sipping about a spot where people would kill to be. Okay, kill is E minor. And you just do single strums here. Kill to be, kill to be, kill to be. But Charlotte ain't as good. Good as G. And you just do a single strum on G. Good as it seems, living the dream is killing me, killing me, killing. So on killing me again, is where you're gonna do E minor. Killing me, killing me, killing me. And G. Killing me, killing me, killing me. Okay, so that's how you play it. Now, the part I'm going to show you is how you can like spice it up a little bit, is because you notice you do the same strumming pattern for the chorus as you do for the intro and the verses and everything. So what you're gonna want to do is play this the intro you'll play a regular volume, then the verse you'll play a little bit softer. So you go, Mama, don't pray for me. Let's see, pray for my success anymore, yeah, but Mama still prays for me. So you're just gonna do softer. You can do the bottom 3 strings, the G, B, and little E. Okay, so you can do that. You can, if you try to hit those more, or even maybe the D string as well. All right, then that'll give it a lot softer sound. Notice that, okay? But then you go, I look like a rock star in and out of cop cars, living out of suitcase, trashing hotel bars. So you can play that louder than you would play all of them, all right? Living out of suitcase, trashing hotel bars. If I see the sunrise, it's cause I stayed up all night, drinking cause I need to. Dang it, what a good life, judging by my long hair. Okay, so you're gonna play it louder for that. Now, that might seem like a simple thing, but it really does make a difference. Now, when you go to the second verse, all right, you're gonna do another day, another venue. Okay, so you do E minor on day. Another day, another venue. There's trouble to get into and love. Okay, love is G. Love ain't on the menu again. Lonely, okay, lonely is E minor. Lonely as an eagle, I meet 1,000 people who think is G. Think I got 1,000 friends. Then here's you're gonna do ooh. Okay, so you're gonna do single strums on ooh, E minor. So the second half of that you're gonna do G. Ooh, there's a stranger in the mirror. But according to the pictures, I'm a rock star in and out of cop cars, living out of suitcase, trashing hotel bars. If I see the sunrise, okay, just like that. Super easy to play. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. I'll get to your requests soon. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.